Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. Hi, I'm Himanshi Sharma. I hope all of you are doing good and are safe at your home. Today we will see the story The Ship of the Desert, which is given in Class 3 English book Marigold. In this video, we will read the story word by word, see its explanation in Hindi and English both, see word meanings and sentence formation. So let's get started. The Ship of the Desert. This story has an interesting conversation between a camel and a lion. This story explains us that why the camel is popularly called as the ship of the desert. Now let's read the story and understand its meaning. इस कहानी में ऊंट और शेर की बड़ी दिलचस्प बातचीत है। ये कहानी हमें बताती है कि ऊंट को रेगिस्तान का जहाज क्यों कहा जाता है। आइए इस कहानी को पढ़ते हैं और इसके बारे में और जानते हैं। Lion, roaring. Who are you? Camel, looking down at the lion. I am the ship of the desert. Who are you? Lion, don't you know me? I am the king of the forest. Camel, are you? Oh, I see. Lion, frowning. You call yourself the ship of the desert? How can you be a ship? You are an animal. So the lion in his loud voice asked the camel, Who are you? Camel looks down at the lion because the size of the camel is larger than lion, as camel have a long neck. Camel introduced himself as the ship of the desert. Then he asked the lion, Who are you? Lion got surprised. He asked wonderingly to camel, Don't you know me? Then the lion introduced himself as the king of the forest. Lion got dissatisfied from the camel's introduction. He frowned. Frowning means showing displeasure. So he said, You call yourself the ship of the desert, but how can an animal be a ship? The lion got confused. शेर ने तेज आवाज में ऊंट से पूछा, आप कौन हैं? ऊंट ने शेर को नीचे की ओर देखा, क्योंकि ऊंट शेर से बहुत लंबा होता है। ऊंट की गर्दन और पैर की लंबाई के कारण वह बहुत लंबा होता है। ऊंट ने अपना परिचय देते हुए कहा कि उसे रेगिस्तान का जहाज कहा जाता है। फिर ऊंट ने शेर से पूछा कि तुम कौन हो? शेर हैरान हो गया। शेर ने ऊंट से पूछा कि क्या तुम मुझे नहीं जानते? मैं जंगल का राजा हूँ। शेर को ऊंट के परिचय से संतुष्टि नहीं हुई। शेर ने ऊंट से कहा, तुम अपने आप को रेगिस्तान का जहाज कहते हो, लेकिन तुम जहाज कैसे हो सकते हो? तुम तो एक जानवर हो। Camel, smiling. So I am, but people call me the ship of the desert. I can walk across the desert even on a hot afternoon. The sand burns, but it doesn't bother me. Lion, I can't believe it. Camel, can you walk across a desert? Lion, blinking. No, I can't, but I can run in the forest. Camel, with disdain. Every animal can do that. I alone can run on the sand. I can run on sand at 25 kilometers an hour. Camel smiled on Lion and answered Lion's question. He said that, yes, I am an animal, but people call me the ship of the desert. That is because even on hot afternoon, I can walk on hot sand easily. It does not bother me. Lion didn't believe it. So the camel asked Lion if he can do that. Lion said he can't do that, but he can run in the forest To which the camel replied that every animal can run in the forest, but camel is the only animal who can run on sand at 25 kilometers an hour. ऊंट मुस्कुराते हुए बोला, हाँ, मैं जानवर हूँ, लेकिन लोग मुझे रेगिस्तान का जहाज कहते हैं। ऐसा इसलिए क्योंकि मैं गर्म दोपहर में भी रेगिस्तान में चल सकता हूँ। रेत जलता है, लेकिन ये मुझे परेशान नहीं करता। शेर को इस बात पर यकीन नहीं हुआ, तो ऊंट ने भी शेर से पूछा कि क्या तुम रेगिस्तान में चल सकते हो? शेर ने कहा, नहीं, मैं रेगिस्तान में तो नहीं चल सकता, लेकिन जंगल में भाग सकता हूँ। ऊंट ने कहा, अरे ये तो हर जानवर कर सकता है, लेकिन मैं एक ऐसा अकेला जानवर हूँ जो रेत पर दौड़ लगा सकता हूँ। मैं 25 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से रेत पर दौड़ सकता हूँ। Lion wonderingly, how can you do that? Camel, look at my feet. They are thick and padded. The hot sun does not burn them. Lion, my feet are padded too. Thorns don't prick them, and I can run 80 kilometers an hour. Camel, that is true. You can run 80 kilometers an hour in the forest. But can you run even a mile on the hot sand? Lion got amazed. He asked the camel, how can he do that? Camel explained the whole thing to Lion. He said, this is because I have special type of feet. They are thick and padded. That is why the hot sun or the hot sand does not burn them. So the lion said that he also has padded feet and thorns doesn't prick them. And that is why he can run as fast as 80 kilometers an hour. Camel appreciated lion's ability to run so fast in the forest, but he asked if he could run even a mile on hot sand. शेर ने बहुत सोच विचार कर ऊंट से पूछा कि तुम ये सब कैसे कर लेते हो? ऊंट ने शेर को समझाया कि मेरे पैरों की तरफ देखो, ये मोटे और गद्देदार हैं, तेज धूप उन्हें नहीं जला सकती। तो शेर ने कहा कि मेरे पैर भी गद्देदार हैं, इन पर कांटों का कोई भी असर नहीं होता, इसीलिए मैं 80 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से दौड़ सकता हूँ। ऊंट ने शेर की सराहना करते हुए कहा कि यह तो सच है कि तुम 80 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से दौड़ सकते हो, लेकिन क्या तुम गर्म रेत पर 1 मील भी चल सकते हो? Lion, maybe not, but Camel interrupting, and you can't live without water for a week, can you? Lion, no, I can't. I need water every day. But don't tell me you can do without water. Camel, yes, I can. There are no rivers or lakes in a desert. But that does not bother me. I can drink 200 bottles of water at a time. Lion was not sure about himself. Then the camel interrupts and asks the lion if he could live without water for a week. Lion said, no, he can't live without water as he needs water every day. But the lion got surprised from camel's question. He wondered and asked the camel if he could live without water. To which camel replied confidently. Camel said, yes, I can live without water. That is because there are no lakes or rivers in a desert. But camel never worry about this fact. What they do is they drink around 200 bottles of water in a one go. शेर पूरे यकीन के साथ ऊंट को उत्तर नहीं दे पाया। ऊंट ने शेर की बात को काटते हुए एक और सवाल पूछा। ऊंट ने पूछा, क्या तुम 1 हफ्ते तक बिना पानी के रह सकते हो? शेर ने कहा, नहीं नहीं, मैं बिना पानी के नहीं रह सकता, मुझे तो हर दिन पानी चाहिए। शेर हैरान हो गया और सोचने लगा। शेर ने ऊंट से पूछा, क्या तुम ऐसा कर सकते हो? ऊंट ने बड़े ही आत्मविश्वास से उत्तर दिया, हाँ, मैं ऐसा कर सकता हूँ। रेगिस्तान में नदियाँ और झीलें नहीं हैं, लेकिन ये बात मुझे परेशान नहीं करती, क्योंकि मैं एक ही बार में 200 बोतल पानी पी सकता हूँ। Lion, really? You must have a big stomach. Camel, proudly. Yes, I have a big stomach. I can store water for a week. I can store food for 2 weeks even. Lion, showing a lot of interest. Do you store food in your stomach? Camel, no, I don't. I store it in my hump. I eat a lot of food at one time. Then I don't need to eat for a fortnight. Lion got amazed to hear that from Camel. Lion said, Camel, you surely have a big stomach. To which Camel proudly replied, Yes, I have a big stomach, and that is why I can store water for a week and food for 2 weeks. Lion seems to be taking a lot of interest in what the camel is telling him. Lion got amazed to hear that camel could not only store water, but he could also store food. He asked the camel whether he stored food in his stomach. Camel explained that he only stores water in his stomach. For the storage of food, he uses his hump. Hump is a large, round, raised area on the back of the camel. He said that he can eat a lot of food at a time, and then he doesn't need to eat anything for another 15 days. शेर ने ऊंट से कहा, तुम्हारे पास जरूर बड़ा पेट होगा। ऊंट ने गर्व से कहा, हाँ, मेरा पेट बहुत बड़ा है। मैं 1 हफ्ते के लिए पानी जमा करके रख सकता हूँ और खाने को तो 2 हफ्ते तक के लिए जमा करके रख सकता हूँ। शेर को ये सब बातें बहुत दिलचस्प लगी। शेर ने ऊंट से पूछा, क्या तुम अपने पेट में भोजन जमा करके रख सकते हो? ऊंट ने कहा, नहीं, भोजन को तो मैं अपने कुबड़ में जमा करके रखता हूँ। मैं एक समय में बहुत सारा खाना खा लेता हूँ और फिर मुझे 15 दिन तक खाना खाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती। Lion, that's interesting. But what do you eat? Camel, I eat leaves, but there are no trees in a forest. In a desert. Lion, what do you eat there? Camel, there are thorny bushes in the desert. I eat the thorns. The thorns don't prick my thick tongue. Lion, how funny. Lion again got amused from Camel's unique ability to store food in his hump. He was very interested to know what does a camel eat. Camel replied that he eats leaves, as there is almost no vegetation in the desert area, so he eats thorny bushes, and he eats thorns too. Thorns are small, sharp, pointed growth on the stem of a plant. Camel is able to eat thorns as he has thick tongue, so the thorns don't prick his thick tongue. Lion found it very funny. शेर को ऊंट की सारी बातें बहुत रोचक लगी। ऊंट के बारे में और बातें जानने के लिए शेर ने ऊंट से पूछा कि तुम क्या खाते हो? ऊंट ने कहा, मैं हरी पत्तियां खाता हूँ, क्योंकि रेगिस्तान में पेड़ पौधे नहीं होते। ऊंट ने बताया कि रेगिस्तान में कटीली झाड़ियां हैं, इसलिए वह कांटे खाता है। मोटी जीभ होने के कारण कांटे ऊंट के मुंह में चुभते नहीं हैं। यह सब सुनकर शेर को बड़ा मजा आया। Camel, Mr. King of the forest, please come with me to the desert. Lion, no, I would better not. I can't walk on burning sand. I can't store food and water. And I can't eat thorns. Goodbye and good luck, Mr. Ship of the Desert. So in the end, Camel invited the lion to the desert by addressing him as the king of the forest. But lion said, no, he better not go to the desert with camel, as like camel, lion can't walk on burning sand, lion can't store food or water, and he can't even eat thorns. So lion said bye to the camel and wished him good luck for the future. And finally, he addressed the camel as the sheep of the desert. So friends, now we got to know that why camel is called the sheep of the desert. Camel is the only animal that can survive in the extreme weather and extreme conditions of the desert. तो अंत में ऊंट ने कहा, हे जंगल के राजा शेर, आओ मेरे साथ रेगिस्तान चलो। इस पर शेर ने कहा, नहीं नहीं, मैं रेगिस्तान में नहीं जा सकता, क्योंकि मैं जलती हुई रेत पर नहीं चल सकता, मैं भोजन और पानी जमा करके नहीं रख सकता और मैं कांटे भी नहीं खा सकता। हे रेगिस्तान के जहाज, मैं तुम्हें अलविदा कहता हूँ और ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। तो दोस्तों, अब हमें पता लगा कि ऊंट को रेगिस्तान का जहाज क्यों कहा जाता है, क्योंकि ऊंट ही एक ऐसा जानवर है जो रेगिस्तान की विषम परिस्थिति में आसानी से रह सकता है। So now let's move on to the word meanings. First word is sheep of the desert. Meaning, camel is known as the sheep of the desert. Sheep of the desert means Registan ka jahaj. Sentence, the sheep of the desert is usually brown in color. Next word is miles, meaning meal, a very long way. दूरी नापने की एक इकाई. Sentence, my house is 15 miles away from the river. Next word is king of the forest, यानी जंगल का राजा. Another name of lion. Sentence, the king of the forest roars loudly. Next word is sand, मतलब रेत, tiny grains of rock. Sentence, the sand is golden in color. Next word is thorns, मतलब कांटे, a small sharp pointed tip. Sentence, the rose plant has thorns on it. Now, let us know some facts about camels. Newborn camels don't have humps. They gradually grow as they get older. Camels are smarter than horses. Camels can live around 40 to 50 years. Female camels are called cows and males are called bulls. And a group of camels is called a karwa. So friends, hope all of you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notified about the new videos. Thank you.